Have you ever looked at a dying plant and just reached for more fertilizer? That's what most of us do. But sometimes the real fix isn't more food. It's something much smaller and much simpler. Now for the secret ingredient, cinnamon. Take just a small pinch of cinnamon powder and sprinkle it evenly over the soil around your plant. Gently work it into that top layer. It sounds too simple to matter, but cinnamon helps create a cleaner root zone, supports the beneficial microbes living in your soil, and encourages stronger, healthier root growth, which is exactly what a struggling plant needs to bounce back. Want faster results? Try this instead. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder to 1 liter of water. Stir it well and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Then slowly pour that mixture around the base of your plant. As it soaks in, it carries cinnamon's natural compounds straight down into the soil, helping your plant's roots absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. Use this once every 2 to 3 weeks on houseplants, flowering plants, even your vegetables. And remember, a little goes a long way, so don't overdo it. Stick with it, and over the next few weeks, you may start noticing greener leaves, stronger stems, and new growth you weren't expecting. Give it a try on your own plants and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.